And there are confirmed reports na yung mga nilalapitang mga opisyal ay ini-influenza ng Liberal Party not to entertain una candidates.
Actually, pagkataalis nga po namin sa isang sortie namin,
Pwede banggitin niyo po yan?
pinagalitan po yung congressman sa Batangas.
Sa Batangas.
Kasi siya po yung, it just so happened po na
Sino po yung nagalit?
yung sa partido nila, sa Liberal Party. Kaya nga po, para sa amin alam mo, you cannot separate. Kami mga congressmen kasi, mga magkakaibigan po kaming lahat, regardless of party line. At saka tandaan mo niya, na sometimes po, sa Liberal Party ngayon, yung ibang miyembro ng Liberal Party, kasama namin sa administrasyon na nakaraan. They were part of Lakas. So, syempre, being personal friends, they will entertain you. Pero tinawagan po sila.
Was that a direct intervention? O parang gano'n? Gagamitin ng halimbawa for mayors, councilors, yung era nila. And then, is that really a plan?
Hindi, sasabihin, lalo na po, kunyari, yung incumbent is a liberal. Tapos may, kunyari, coalition partner lang siya. Tapos may kalaban siyang Liberal Party. Ang sinasabihan sila na, sige, pag inulit mo pa yan, bubuhusan namin ng pondo yung kalaban mong liberal.
So,
para matalo ka.
So, ang nangyayari pala dito is that nag-flex ng muscle ang Liberal Party.
Correct. Kaya nga ito,
on many grounds.
Actually, Jake, the fight now, it's not between Pinoy and Binay. There's no fight between Pinoy and Binay. He himself said that he has no issue against the Vice President. And the Vice President also said the same thing. I think this is with the Liberal Party flexing its muscles in this election in preparation for the 2016 elections.
So you're saying that itong Liberal Party na ngayon, gumagalaw, of course, without the knowledge of Pinoy. Gumagalaw on the ground.
We would think so, yes. Ako, I'm in the opposition, but I'm already saying it's against.
Iniintay lang siguro na magsumbong si Margarita Walis Tingtingkuhan ko sa kanyang pamangkin, ma'am. Wala namang attempt na gano'n. You will not do that.
No.
Okay. Alam nyo,
Hindi namin ni-install mo na yun. Kasi he's too busy with many problems.